Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. So for all those who do not know me, I am Mansi ludhwani, who create fashion related videos in order to help women out there who are in the process of building their capsule wardrobe. So let's begin with today's video. In today's video, we are going to talk about body shape and what do we mean by that, what are the different kinds of body shape, what should we wear as per our body shape, and this is going to be an Indian wear edition. So I think western wear figure out करना is still easy, लेकिन जब Indian wear की बात आती है, all of us do face this problem कि हमें हमारे body shape के according कौन सा Indian wear choose करना चाहिए. So today we are going to learn about that, and if you want to know about your body shape, then stay tuned till the end of this video. So yeah, let's begin with the first part. Firstly, we will talk about what is body shape. Body shape और कुछ नहीं, हमारे outer appearance को reflect करता है, हमारा overall silhouette कैसा दिखता है, हमारी shoulders कितने broad है, हमारी waist कितनी defined है. That is what a body shape defines. So now we will begin with types of body shape. So we are going to talk about 5 kinds of body shape, and before that I want to clarify something. जब भी हम किसी body shape के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं तो that doesn't mean that you fall in that particular category, क्योंकि ऐसा हो सकता है कि a slight variation हमारे body shape में हो सकती है. If I am defining a single body shape, that doesn't mean you are going to completely fit in that category. There might be some variation. So क्या चीज को हमें याद रखना है is we have to balance our silhouette. No matter what, we have to balance our silhouette. हम कुछ भी पहन रहे हैं, हमें ये देखना है कि हमारा upper part, lower part is balanced. हमारा waist define हो रहा है. जो body part हमें conscious बनाता है, we'll try कि हम उस part से attention को हटा सके. So yeah, let's begin with the first type of body shape. So the first body shape which we are going to talk about is hourglass body shape. So in this body shape, what happens is हमारा shoulder, chest और hips balanced होता है और एक proper defined waist होती है. So whenever we are choosing an Indian wear for ourselves, we have to maintain these 3 things together. For instance, as you can see in this video, I am wearing a printed cord set and it's a straight fit kurta with a palazzo pant. अब ये मेरे बॉडी पे जिस तरह से फॉल हो रहा है, that's hugging at right places and it's defining waist at the same time. Now, if you are somebody who fall in this category, you can go for straight pant and kurta set. Other than that, if you are somebody who likes to wear a contrasting pant with the kurta, that is going to work wonder for you. So yeah, go ahead with that. Just keep these things in mind that you have to define your waist no matter what. आपके shoulder, chest और hips जो balanced है उनको balanced ही रखना है, उनको overwhelming नहीं करना है. Now here comes the variation part. What if you fall in hourglass body shape category but you have slightly broader hips? In that case, what you have to do is you can go for straight fit kurta with pant, but you have to keep this thing in mind that it should not snug your body around your hips. Like it should be flowy enough to skim through your body in order to make you look balanced, put together and cohesive. So let's talk about the second type of body shape, which is triangular body shape. So in this body shape हमारा shoulder और chest balanced होता है और हमारा hips comparatively broader होता है. तो for that we have to wear something which should not overwhelm our lower body और कुछ भी ऐसी चीज जो कि हमारे thigh या hip area को snug नहीं करना चाहिए. For example, as you can see in this video, I am wearing a high slit kurta because I do not want my kurta to snug around my hip. That will highlight it even more. That's why a great example would be a high slit kurta if you are somebody who falls in this category. Also, when it comes to pant, choose something which is not too skinny. It would be better अगर आप चूड़ीदार अवॉइड करते हो तो आपके लिए बेस्ट होगा कि आप स्ट्रेट फिट पैंट चूज करो या फिर आप पलाजो पैंट चूज करो. ऑल्सो एक और चीज यहाँ जो हाईलाइट करनी है मुझे इज द नेक लाइन. neckline also creates an impact on how everything is visually balanced. अब जैसे मैंने यहाँ पे स्पेगेटी स्ट्रैप कुर्ता पहना हुआ है, तो लाइक आवर मेन कंसर्न एरिया इज व्हाट, हिप्स, थाइज, ये दो चीज से हमें अटेंशन रिमूव करना है. So when you are wearing such kind of neckline like this one, you are actually shifting your focus from your bottom half to the upper half. So in this way you have to balance your silhouette. So yeah, that was all about triangular body shape. Let's quickly move on to third kind of body shape. So let's quickly understand about the third kind of body shapes, that is round body shape. So what do we mean by that? इस बॉडी शेप में हमारा जो कंसर्न एरिया होता है वो होता है हमारा मिडरिफ, दैट इज हमारा वेस्ट. तो व्हाट वी हैव लर्न टिल नाउ, वी हैव टू टेक आवर अटेंशन अवे फ्रॉम आवर कंसर्न एरिया. दैट इज हम जो भी इंडियन वेयर चूज करेंगे फॉर सच काइंड ऑफ बॉडी शेप, तो हमें ये ध्यान रखना है कि हमारा मिडरिफ should not get highlighted in any way. Let me help you with an example. As you can see in this one, I am wearing a A-line kurta which is very flowy in nature, and it's not at all hugging me around my midriff. Rather, it's camouflaged with my body, giving me a balanced silhouette. Also, इस body shape के लिए neckline plays an important role here. If you are somebody who belongs to such category, choose V neckline. ये क्विकली आपकी कंसर्न एरिया से अटेंशन आपके नेकलाइन पे शिफ्ट कर दे. आई वुड हाईली रिकमेंड कि अगर आप मोनोक्रोम सेट के साथ जाओ, दैट इज गोइंग टू बी अ ग्रेट ऑल्टरनेटिव फॉर यू. सो दैट वाज ऑल अबाउट राउंड बॉडी शेप. Let's talk about the fourth type of body shape, that is rectangular body shape. As the name suggests, it is something which creates a rectangle. That is, the person who falls in such category has balanced shoulder, chest and hips but doesn't have a defined waist. So it's very obvious what we have to opt for. We have to opt for something which defines our waist or should be having some kind of waist detailing. For instance, as you can see in this one, मैंने एक अनारकली कुर्ता पहना हुआ है which hugs at my waist, defines my waist and also balance my silhouette. So what you have to keep in mind is whatever you are opting should be having some kind of waist detailing in order to create a balanced silhouette. Also, if you are somebody who falls in such category, avoid straight fit kurtas because that will again make you look like a box and will not help you in any way. So yeah, that was all about rectangular body shape. Now we'll talk about the fifth and the last type of body shape, which is inverted triangle body shape. By that I mean कि हमारा जो main concerned area है वो है हमारा shoulder. So what we have to do, we have to take our attention away from the concerned area. So let me help you with an example. In this one, I am wearing a solid blue monochrome cord set, which firstly has got V neckline and at the same time is sleeveless but has broader sleeves. So what all these things are doing all together is ये हमारे जो concerned area, that is our shoulder, यहाँ से हमारा attention shift करके हमारे bottom half को जा रहा है. अब bottom half को कैसे जा रहा है, क्योंकि ये एक A-line कुर्ता है, it is actually providing some kind of volume to the bottom. अब जो inverted triangle body shape वाली category में fall करते हैं, उनका usually hips narrow होता है. That's why we have to provide some volume to the bottom half in order to balance the upper half. That's why I am wearing a A-line kurta along with palazzo pant. It's creating a good volume around my hips, in turn balancing my upper half. So that was all about the body shapes. So that was all about today's video. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you like today's video, let me know in the comment section. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel. Also don't forget to push the bell icon of the channel so that you do not miss any of the updates. So till then, you take care of yourself. We'll meet in the next one. Bye.